Good afternoon from Grant Family Farm. A beautiful day again. Me and Sally are heading down the barn here to feed the pigs and the chickens. Okay, I got some strawberries in our house. Looks like strawberries. What do you think about that? Tastes pretty good, huh? Okay, let's give the baby some. And Papa Pig. I don't know if they all got one or not. That's another one. Okay, Harold's in there screaming he wants some. Okay, Sally's at the door here. We'll get the mice. Hang on, Harold. There it is. Harold, come here. Strawberry? Did you eat it? There, got good stuff, huh? Alright. Come on, babies. Get over here. Where your mama gets one. You're right there, right there. Alright, we'll throw some more over here. There you guys go. Oh yeah, I like those strawberries. Oh, sorry, but that's all I had. Okay, the chickens got their feed. Got 10 eggs today. Not too bad. Harold, a couple of guys eating alfalfa over here. And Tunya and two of the babies over here eating. I will grain them later. Happy family out here eating their alfalfa. I guess he's not too happy. Alright, still doing some tractor work, do some landscaping towards the house. So get back on that project and I'll grain these pigs later. Sure is beautiful today. Well, I'm hoping Otto has enough time tonight to pull the top off the Jeep. We can drive it tomorrow, either topless or maybe with bikini on it. Lighten the load a little bit. We'll see. Well, it's 7 o'clock. I'm going to go down and give some grain to the pigs there. Stop and look at the goats, and they're doing okay in here. Well, the sun's starting to go down, as you can see. Sally's here riding with me. Shooting up the view. Pigs, I forgot about them. Alright, we're here. Yeah, I gave the pigs grain, but I gotta go turn the water on. One of these days I'll get the water down there, so I'm gonna have to go up on top of the hill to turn it on. So as warms up, I'll turn these valves down here on, but I don't want to let them freeze and break them off. Still got a little bit more winter left, a few more days before I turn those on. I gotta hurry up before I flood the place. The dogs are having a blast. Okay, everybody's got water, everybody's happy. Pig's still eating their grain. Oh, there's 3 of them over here. She kicked another one out. That's how she is. See? Yeah, they're enjoying the grain. It's been another great day. That's 3 in a row. Can't beat that. Well, I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.